Welcome to Real Estate University. In this video, I'll tell you an entire process of investment for people between age 20 to 30. It's a complete investment guide for those people, those who are aging between 20 to 30. Yes, this video will turn out to be the most valuable video for you if you watch this video till the end. If you are a newcomer in the industry, if you have just recently joined a job, or if you are doing a business, or if you are a freelancer and if you are earning a good amount of money and if you want to invest into the real estate, this video is for you. Watch this video till the end. In this video, I'll tell you a 5-step process that can help you to exactly plan the step-by-step process of investment in the real estate industry. Or if you are between an age 20 to 30, you have different options, but what options are there, how to start, all this I'll cover in this video. So first point is high risk taking ability. If your age is between 20 to 30, you have much time compared to those people, those who are into the age category of 30, 40 or 40, 50, to enjoy the rate of returns, to enjoy the return on investment in your own property. So your risk-taking capability is high. You can buy those properties where there is slightly higher risk, but there are more chances of getting better returns or faster returns. So between 20 to 30, you have the ability to make more profit into the real estate industry. But the most important thing, what you have to do is you have to make yourself educated in a proper way. You have to understand the entire process of investment into the real estate industry. Second point, more time and patience. As I've already clearly explained you that you have more time to enjoy the return on your property. If suppose you have bought first property at the age of 23, it's a plot worth 25 lakhs, suppose. And after 12 years, you sold it at 3x value, 75 lakhs. So now you are getting 50 lakhs extra. I know there are various taxes and all, but even if by deducting taxes, there is a profit of 40 lakhs, suppose for an example of 42 lakhs. Now you can enjoy that money in your upcoming years, or you can again reinvest into the real estate industry. So because you have more time to enjoy the returns, if you have more patience, you can make more money in the real estate industry. Third, but before telling third point, I want you to clearly give you a message. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, because we don't want you to miss such kind of valuable videos in future. So click on subscribe button and hit bell icon. These practical videos will help you a lot to do proper investment with right guidance. Third, good time period to enjoy the returns. Now, if you belong to this age group between 20 to 30, and if suppose you bought a flat at 23, and in the next 5-10 years you have done all the payments, now your flat is completely EMI free. And from the second year onwards, 25th age, you started getting rent. So that rent is supporting you in EMI. And after 31, 32, when you have done all the payments related with that flat, the entire rent what you are getting is a passive income what you have now. Understand, it's a very big thing. Those people, those who take mature decision by understanding the concept, by learning real estate investment properly, they can become a super awesome real estate investor in their future. Point number 4, what you can buy. Now the next question that comes into your mind is, what can I buy between 20 to 30 that is a good product for me? So as your risk taking capability is high, you can make a combined portfolio where you can have a plot as well, so that if you buy a plot at a right location, at right cost, at the right time, you can get an multiple X returns. After 3-4 years, if you have completed all the payments, if suppose you bought first plot at the age of 22 and you bought second property at the age of 27, that's a flat. So these 2-3 properties can give you very high returns in your upcoming years. So you can buy a plot, you can buy a flat as well. You can buy 2-3 properties in this tenure of 10 years if you plan it properly by learning. Point number 5, how to buy. I am a new person. I don't know many things about real estate industry. So, dear friends, you have to start learning about the real estate industry. You have to know that who is a builder, who is a developer, how to buy, how to sell, buyer awareness series. There were so many videos on our channel that can give you free, valuable, practical education related with real estate industry. That's why our channel is Real Estate University for you all. So my only request to you is increase your knowledge. If you want advanced knowledge related with real estate investment, you can contact on our boardline numbers. Our team can guide you that how our team can help you to become a super smart investor or a real estate game changer investor into the real estate industry. So you have to learn the entire process. The buying process is very simple. You have to learn research first, how to analyze property, where to buy right property, then legal checking of the property, then taking decisions related with financial things. These were the steps you have to follow to buy a property between 20 to 30. So if you want to know all this in details, if you want to learn these advanced skills, you can contact on the numbers. But all those things what I have explained in this video are more than enough for you to take your first or second decision. Learn the things, practice the things, and then you can easily become a good investor in your future. Thank you so much for liking our videos. Thank you so much for making our book Real Estate Game Changer national bestseller book on Amazon and Flipkart. Thank you so much for regularly giving likes to our video. Your likes gives us motivation and energy to make such valuable and practical value added videos. We'll meet you in the next video.